Hello, 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 and welcome once again back to some more algebra. And today we're going to talk about some two-step equations. In our first video, we did really basic ones. And today we're just going to focus on just our really standard two-step equations, where we only have to do two things to get to x. Okay? And so I've got 4 examples for us here, lots of different things to do. And hopefully that'll help you with these kinds of problems. Like I said earlier in a lot of different videos, right? These videos are to help you get through your algebra class, and I hope that these can help you with that process. So let's start with our first one here. We've got 3x minus 4 is equal to 14. And so if we want to start, remember when we do equations, we kind of do the order of operations in reverse. So we want to do the minuses and additions first. So in this one here, we've got a minus 4. And if we want to move minus 4 over to here, we need to do the opposite of minus 4 on both sides. So in this example then, we're going to have to do a plus 4 to each side. And we're going to get 3x is equal to 18, because these 4's cancel. So now after we've done step 1, it's down to step 2, and in that case, we need to do the opposite of multiplication to get x by itself. And in that case, it is dividing by 3. So when we divide by 3, our 3's cancel, and we get x is equal to 6. And we've solved that one. So there we go. Not too difficult, only 2 steps. Now let's go on to our next one here. We've got 2x plus 6 is equal to 22. So we're going to do our addition slash subtraction first. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And we get 2x is equal to 16. And then after that, we have to divide once again, just like the last time. And we get x is equal to 8. And that's our final answer for that one. So just like that first one, our first step is to do either addition or subtraction. And then we did some division, and we got x is equal to 8 in that one. Now for our next 2 examples, we have some division in the problem. And that's going to throw a wrench in our doing addition and subtraction first. See, it turns out that when you have a fraction like this, you can't do the addition and subtraction first. You need to get rid of the denominator. And we're going to do that by multiplying. So what we'll do is we're going to multiply each side by the denominator to eliminate that denominator. So in this first one here, the denominator is 5. So we have to multiply this whole side by 5 and this whole side by 5. And when we do that, we get these 5's to cancel, and we get x plus 4 on the top and this side, and we get 15 here. Now we can do our addition and subtraction. We need to subtract on this one, and we end up getting x is equal to 11. So remember now, when we have a division on one side of an equation like this, we need to get rid of that division first. We need to multiply so that we no longer have denominators, because that's going to make it more difficult to do these sort of things. Now, on the bottom one, we can do the same thing, and our denominator in this one is 10. So we're going to multiply by 10 on each side, so we can get rid of our denominator. And so we'll end up with x minus 4 on this side, and over here we get negative 20. So then we're going to have to do our addition, so we'll add 4 and add 4. And if we add 4 to negative 20, we get negative 16. And that's the answer to that one. All right, so we managed to do all those 2-step equations. Like I said earlier, whoa, hit the camera on accident. They're not too difficult, nothing too crazy over here with these 2-step equations. It's just remembering what we need to do first. Okay? Remember, when we have these simple multiplication ones over here, we're going to do our addition and subtractions first, and then we'll divide to get x by itself. And when we have a division part in the problem, we need to get rid of the denominator first, and then we can deal with our addition and subtraction parts. If you keep that in mind, it should definitely keep these problems simple, and we can worry about the bigger, harder ones when we get to them. Thank you so much for watching Algebra. I hope you found this video very helpful, and I'll see you next time when we learn about some more math. Have a great day.